Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Golden Valley local and long-distance movers near me. Are you relocating? When it comes to relocating, you must have a solid plan and put measures in place to actualize them. One of the most necessary plans in your moving process is hiring a moving company. Selecting a good moving company can be dicey. If you employ unreliable movers, you will encounter stress, worry, and disappointment. That is why you should take the time to find a reputable and efficient moving company. 3 Movers is the best and cheapest local and long-distance moving company in Golden Valley, Arizona. We are the premium option for a variety of reasons. Our years of experience are one of them. We have worked with various clients and transported all kinds of things over local and long distances. We have everything you'll need to get back on your feet. We're reliable, and we safeguard your belongings and other personal information. We also have a proper registration with the appropriate relocation bodies. We have the necessary permits to move both locally and long distance. Because our customers' comfort and pleasure are our top priorities, we offer various moving packages. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Golden Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.